What's up, everybody? I'm Rachel from Studio Spin, and I thought I would do a what's in my pole bag video. So if you're fairly new to pole, or even if you've been doing it for a while and you're still looking for new ideas or things to bring with you or have in your arsenal, I hope this video will help give you some ideas. So first off, we have a pair of pole shorts. These are backup shorts for me in case I leave the house and I forget to put shorts on. I have a backup pair. Next up, we have leg warmers, and these are thigh-high leg warmers, but on me, they basically go all the way up my leg. Always nice to have to warm up in or for floor work. And apparently I have a pair of thigh-high socks in here as well. I love these. They have the stripes, the triple stripes at the top. Gives it that, I don't know, sporty look, but to me that just looks super sexy. I have knee pads. These are Mighty Grip knee pads. We also sell these at the studio, so if you need a pair, we got you covered. Of course, no bag would be complete without a pair of heels. Those heels are Pleaser brand, and I swear by them. They're super well made, they're super comfortable. They are on the pricier side, but that's because they're so well made and super comfortable. And because I do a lot of floor work, I have more knee pads. These knee pads are actually Pole Dancer Ka. I have them in a couple colors, and I plan on getting them in even more colors. This is their white, this is their nude. I use these more for performance as opposed to practice, just because they're a little bit sleeker looking. The padding isn't quite as thick, but is perfect for performing in. No pole bag would be complete without grip aid. This is my little grip aid bag here. So these are my three go-tos. I have Mighty Grip, which is a white powder that's used to give a little bit tack to your hands. I have Tight Grip. This is if my hands or any other part of my body is really sweating or perspiring. This helps keep it dry. I actually put this on ahead of time before I plan on coming in to train. I put it on about 30 minutes before I'm ready to pole. I let it dry. And then if you're using it on your hands, what I would recommend is after it's dried, go ahead, rinse your hands off, and then put your other grip aids on. This grip aid is dry hands. This kind of gives you the combination of keeping your hands dry from perspiration and also a little bit of tack. And in my pole bag, I have a tripod, so when I'm recording videos, I can prop my phone up on it. So clearly I'm not using this to record this video. I'm using a bunch of yoga blocks. So I also have a clip-on wide-angle lens. This clips onto my phone. But evidently, all the new phones have built-in wide-angle lenses. My phone is apparently a dinosaur, which is why I have this little guy. It does work pretty nice, but I'm probably gonna get a newer phone and then I don't need to use that. Very important, deodorant. I have a small thing of deodorant in my bag in case I need to freshen up a bit. I have a big safety pin. I have my all-time favorite lotion. Yes, I'm well aware that Body Shop has discontinued their body sorbet lotion, so I went ahead and bought a crap ton of it on eBay. It's been like a year and a half now, and I still have quite a few bottles left, so I'm holding on to this. This is great to help moisturize the skin and give your skin some grip. Another bottle of Mighty Grip. I don't even think there's anything in here. I don't really need it. I have a bottle of Dew Point. This is good if you need a little bit of stickiness on your skin. Do not use it on your hands. Just spritz a little bit on your legs or your arms or wherever you need to be sticky, and then rub it in. But again, don't rub it in with your hands. Like, you can kind of do the grip aid dance where you're rubbing your legs together like you have to pee really bad. Another pair of pole shorts, back up pole shorts. More knee pads. Another type of grip aid, Kramer's Firm Grip. When all else fails and you cannot stick to that damn pole, spritz yourself down with some of this. This is basically glue or like a adhesive. I have my pole towel, which really is just become my safety blanket. Here's a little fun fact about me. I need to have this with me backstage before I go on and perform. Like, no lie, if I don't have this to hold on to, I start freaking out. It started out with just using it to keep my hands dry, because when I'm nervous, my body's natural reaction is for my palms to sweat, which is the worst possible thing that a pole dancer wants to deal with right before they're supposed to go out and perform. So I would just hold on to the towel just to help keep my hands dry, but I did it so often every time I performed, it's become like a ritual for me and a safety blanket. So if I don't have this, I'm just freaking out backstage. So this is very important, it stays with me. Otherwise, just have a pole rag, a pole sweat rag with you so you can wipe yourself down when you're practicing. Oh, more knee pads. These are another pair of pole dancer Ka, so I guess I have them in black, nude, and white. I have a Mighty Grip ankle support, and apparently just one of them. I typically use these if my ankles are feeling a little worked or tired. I actually use this as like an ankle support, more so than a gripping aid. And then I have notebooks. I highly recommend keeping a notebook in your pole bag so you can make notes in your class. I actually use these to plan out my classes, so these are filled with lesson plans. I date them so I can always go back and, like, if I can't remember what I did yesterday in class, which happens all the time, I have it written down in my notebook here. So that is it for what's in my pole bag. I hope that gives you some ideas or insights into what's good to keep with you. This is my arsenal. Anytime I go to a workshop or a competition or practice, this is what I bring with me. Pretty much everything but the kitchen sink. So I hope you liked this video, that you found it entertaining and a little bit insightful. Let me know if you want me to make a video about something else. I'd be happy to, because guess what? I got time right now.